Hey guys, welcome back to the Rough Cuts Garage. Today we're going to be installing engine protection bars on this 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. So here are the parts that we're going to be installing today. They're from Hepco and Becker. They're listed as engine protection bars, and I'll have a link to their website in the description below. So the first step in installing the bars requires removing this plastic engine cover. This cover will be going back on prior to putting the bars on. This is just to mount a bracket that the bars attach to. And there's 5 bolts in total that you need to remove. There's 1, 2, 3, and then on the other side there's 4 and 5. Okay, so the next step is to take these 2 brackets. Firstly, you're going to need to remove these 2 bolts. Because these are, I believe, engine mounting bolts, I'm going to do one at a time. Is you're going to want this top tube to be in line with both brackets before tightening them down. Alrighty, so that's the first step complete there. You can see where the new brackets sort of mount there. And then on the other side here, you can see it is a challenge to get your wrench in past this hose. You can just push that out of the way. So now we're going to be putting the engine cover back on. However, we're going to be omitting these bolts here because they will be replaced with bolts from the kit. The longer of these 2 bolts is the one that goes in here. The shorter one goes down here. So the next piece of hardware you're going to need are the 2 bolts, 2 washers, and then this series of clamp with the backing plate there that has the threads attached to it. And that is going to go over this bar here. You may have to loosen off some of the other nuts and bolts on this bar setup in order to make things line up the way you want it. Alrighty, now everything is roughly lined up there. Now we can tighten everything down. Okay, so that there sums up the install of the Hepco and Becker engine protection bars on this 2010 Honda XL700V Transalp. Hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.